Are you looking for a JavaScript framework that's easy to learn, flexible and super powerful? Meet VueJS, a perfect tool for building interactive web applications. In this video, I'll break down what is VueJS is, how it's awesome, and show you a quick demo. Let's get started. VueJS is a progressive JavaScript framework used for building interactive user interfaces and single-page applications. Why VueJS is progressive? It grows with your application, which means you start small and scale up as you need. Let's see some quick facts about VueJS. Released in 2014 by Evan Yu, has over 1.5 million weekly downloads, lightweight, flexible, and reactive. Here is why you love VueJS. First one, easy to learn. It's having simple syntax and well-structured documentation. Second one, reactive and component based. It helps you to create reusable UI components efficiently. Third one, fast and lightweight. It's having small bundle size compared to other frameworks. Fourth one, flexibility, which can be used in small projects and as well as large scale applications. Fourth one, Vue's ecosystem. Vue is having tons of plugins and good community support. I'm going to show basic example how Vue is going to work. Here is an example. You can create a simple HTML file that includes VueJS via CDN link like this. And you can create HTML div tag with idea where Vue instance will create and it takes control. And you can observe message between the curly braces. It is the template syntax of Vue. It is going to interact with DOM. And you see a click change message is a way of event handling in Vue. And you can see data. It defines reactive data. And you can see methods. It defines functions to manipulate data. So I'm going to show how this application works in browser. So you see it loaded and then you can see hello VueJS and there is a button change message, right? So when you click on the change message, it's going to show you click to the button, right? Let's see some key features of VueJS. First one, directives. Vif, vfor, vbind, vmodel. These are the special attributes for data binding and controlling the DOM. Second one, computer properties. This is the efficient way to handle complex logic without repeating the code. Third one, Vue components. These are reusable, which contains CSS, HTML, and scripting code. Fourth one, Vue router. It helps you to create single-page applications with client-side routing. Fifth one, Vuex, kind of state management. It helps you to manage state in large-scale applications. I'm going to create videos for each and every feature of VueJS. Don't bother now. We have reached the end of the video. So whether you are a beginner or experienced developer, VueJS makes web development very smooth and enjoyable. Please like this video if you found it useful and helpful. Please subscribe for more web development tutorials. Thank you for watching.